Ma'am, I have joined right now. What are we doing?
Beta, even I have joined right now. We are not doing anything. The time starts at 1:10, no? So it's 1:10. Okay, let everybody join and then we are going to continue with the question answers that we were doing. Have you all done till question number 3? Long answer type? Yes or no, children?
Ma'am, we have done question number
What we are doing?
We will start, beta. We have not started doing anything. I have just started the meeting. The class starts at 1:10. So
Ma'am,
don't worry.
Ma'am, we have not done only the question number 4 in detail.
Yes, we have to do question number 4 in detail. Name the different ways we can conserve our environment. So can anybody tell in how many ways or what different ways we can conserve our environment? Can anybody name the 3 ways? It's very simple. No one can answer, huh? Can we conserve our environment by reusing? Can we conserve our environment by reusing things?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So
Yes,
one
ma'am.
way is
Recycling.
very nice. One way is reusing. Then can we conserve our environment by recycling things?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then after reusing, it's recycling. Can we also conserve our environment by reducing the wastage of things?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Like we can reduce the wastage of paper, we can reduce the wastage of water and natural resources. So we've got 3 ways in which we can conserve our environment. Which are those 3 ways? Reducing, reusing, and recycling. Now I'm going to type the answer in the chat box. Everybody will write from there. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
The 3 ways in which we can conserve our environment are reducing, reusing, and recycling.
Ma'am, we have to do question 4.
So beta, we are doing question 4 only. I will send the answer once again. Those who have just joined, we have started doing answer number 4.
Ma'am, please send the 1, 2, 3, and 4. Ma'am, all in WhatsApp. Ma'am, answer in detail.
I will tell a student to do that work for you. Don't worry. See,
Okay,
children,
ma'am.
the answer begins from here. I hope everyone has got this. Answer number 4. The 3 ways in which we can conserve our environment are reducing, reusing, and recycling. Since this question is in answer in detail, so we have to explain what is reducing, reusing, and recycling. Okay. The next part of the answer, I'm again starting to type. Now the complete answer is in the chat box.
Ma'am, the chapter are not come in WhatsApp group 16, 17, 18, 17, 18,
Beta,
19,
Deshika
20.
will send after the school will get over. Now there are back-to-back classes. She might not have got time. Deshika, beta, have you made the PDF of all chapters?
Then I have made the PDF only 16 chapter and the 17 chapter.
Okay. So send chapter 16 and chapter 17 right after the class. And
Okay,
rest of the
ma'am.
chapters you can send later. Children, have you done it or are still doing?
Ma'am, done.
Done. Very good. What about others? Anyone?
Ma'am, I'm doing it.
Good. Anyone who joined the class late and wants to get this answer again?
Ma'am, I have done.
Very nice. So all of you now open your cameras, children. Excuse me.
Ma'am, I have written question number 4 and answer also.
You have done question number 4, no? Name the different ways we can conserve the environment.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So with this, we come to the end of this chapter. Everybody has done it, or anybody is still left to do it? If anybody is still left to do, please tell me. I'm going to resend the answer. Okay, that means all of you have done. Now, children, let's come on to something like discussing a few things from each chapter now. See, from this chapter only, there is this think box given. All of you open your cameras first of all. Lakshay, Tanmay, Avika, Ritvik, everybody.
Because I am writing answer 4, that's why I can't open camera.
Okay, beta. Okay, Adeshika, read out what is written in the think box.
Ma'am, in the think box.
Yes, page number 138, think box.
Okay, ma'am. Human action is the main cause of environmental pollution, but only human action can save the environment. Write 4 things that you can do to prevent environmental pollution.
Okay, so this is an easy one. All of us now know that human action is the main cause of pollution.
I have also done.
Very good, beta. Very nice. We all know that human action is the only cause of human pollution. That means pollution is caused only by human activities, right? Agree? Yes or no? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
And only human action can save the environment. If we are causing the environment, we can only save the environment. So you have to write any 4 things which can prevent this environmental pollution. Can you name any 4 things? Now see, there are 4 blanks given under this. You have to write 4 things that you can do to prevent environmental pollution. You've got 2 minutes with you, children. Just write down whatever comes to your mind, whatever you think can save the environment or can prevent, the pollution, environmental pollution. Just write down those 4 things. Come on, start doing this work. And then we will discuss it. Everyone has to do, I'll just call out your names and you have to answer. Okay, don't say, ma'am, I don't know, I haven't done. Because you know it. If you'll think, you will be able to write it. Your time starts now. Adeshika, why are you not writing? Or have you written the 4 ways in which you can prevent it?
Ma'am, what is the question?
The question is, write any 4 things that you can do to prevent environmental pollution. Why? Because human actions only cause this pollution, and by human action only, this environment can be saved. The pollution can be prevented. Yes. Write it down.
What are we doing?
Noel, have you just joined the class?
Ma'am, I had gone somewhere right now. That's why I do not know what was happening.
Okay, so we have completed this chapter and now we are doing the think box given in the chapter. Now, Noel, do one thing. I'm sending you the answer once again. The last question that was left. You have to write this answer and then we can move ahead.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can you tell again? Because just at once I couldn't hear your voice.
Now see, I have sent answer number 4 once again in the chat box. The last question that was left from this chapter. Okay, the answer is in the chat box. Noel, start writing the answer. And other children also who have not written it, or by any chance you've missed answer number 4, please start writing.
Ma'am, I have written answer number 4. Ma'am, you were saying something else right now.
Okay, apart from this, on page number 138, we are doing the think box. Can you read the think box, Noel?
Okay, ma'am. Think
Yes,
box.
you have to write
Human
4
action.
things. Yes, read it out.
Human action is the main cause for environmental pollution, but only human action can save the environment. Write 4 things that you can prevent environmental pollution.
So can you think of 4 things that can prevent it?
Ma'am, do not burn plastics.
Very nice. Very good. Now write it down. Just write it down there. Everybody is writing and then we are going to discuss it. Okay, written all of you? Everyone has written it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So who is going to tell me first? All of you open your cameras and raise your hands. I just want to see who all can speak. Avika, Pratishtha, Tanmay, Fahad, Shreyansh, Lakshay, Ritvik, Shrishti, Pratyush. Nobody is ready, huh? Everybody is sitting like that with the cameras off. Okay, Avika is going to share something. Yes.
Ma'am, recycling the things, cleaning the environment, do not use plastic, throw garbage in the dustbin.
Okay, so by doing this, you can think environmental pollution can be prevented. Good. Any other way? Okay, what has Shaurya written?
Do not burn plastic. Do not throw garbage here and there. Tree. We should tree planting
We should
and
plant trees.
we should plant tree and don't we litter.
Okay, and we should not litter around. Okay, by planting more and more trees and by not littering around. Okay, and Apurva, what are your thoughts on it? Anything else?
Ma'am, by do not burning garbage,
Beta,
reuse
by not burning garbage. Okay,
by not burning garbage, by reusing plastic and by planting more trees.
okay, very nice. And anything else, any other point that anyone has written? How can it be reduced? So only these 4 points are there. Adeshika, Noel, Tanmay, Fahad, Shreyansh. Nobody is responding. It looks like a dull class. Only 3 students, are there to answer. Is this how a class is
Ma'am, can
supposed to
I
be
also
held?
answer?
Yes. Anything else that you have thought of?
Ma'am, not burning the plastic, not using the plastic, and composing the renewable resources
Yes, by composting. By
by composting.
Yes, by composting. And what else? In the previous chapter also, we studied a lot of things, how pollution is created by human actions. We studied,
Yes,
no?
ma'am.
So all
Ma'am, can
those
I say one more?
actions, yes,
Not connecting the sewage pipelines to the rivers or oceans.
very nice, very good. Very nice point. Anything
Ma'am, can
else?
I tell?
Yes, tell.
Recycling waste, plant more trees, don't use plastic, and by composting.
Okay, very nice. And also we can make less use of fertilizers and pesticides, isn't it? That seeps through the soil and makes it what? What does it make? The fertilizers and all seep through the soil and make what polluted? The water, underground water gets polluted by it. So we can also make less use of it. And anything else? Cows, animals should not be made to washed near the water bodies. Why? Because the water gets contaminated. Right? Did you think of this point? No, you did not. Nobody even thought, only Noel thought about this point of sewage water. It should be treated first before being released directly into these rivers or any kind of water bodies. Anything else that you can think of if something is coming to your mind from the previous chapter? Tell. Okay. Now, with this, let's move on to the next one. Look at the picture and answer these questions. The picture study. Let's do the picture study. What is this? area called? What
Ma'am,
is this?
landfill.
Huh?
Ma'am, landfill.
Landfill. Yes, this area is called a landfill. Okay. Where do you think it is located? Can you name any place where it is located? Have you seen this kind of a landfill anywhere?
No, ma'am.
Have you? Okay. These areas you might not have seen, but they are mostly located on the outskirts of any town or any city. Then, what is it made of? What is this area full of, children?
Ma'am,
Tell me.
garbage.
Ma'am, garbage.
Yes, this area is full of garbage. Okay, see, the last one here is pin it up. Can you see on page number 139? Can you see it? Pin it up.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So list the many things that you think a rag picker would come across if he or she were to go through your waste. So what all things can you list? What all things could a rag picker find if he would come across our garbage? Think of a few things, write it down, just list a few things, and then we are going to discuss it. Okay, another minute with you all. Just the general things that you throw outside your houses or a rat picker picks from. Have you seen rat pickers coming in your lane? Where you stay? Yes?
Ma'am, what is meaning of rap pickers?
Rat picker beta, the ones who collect garbage.
Yes, ma'am.
You have seen those people who collect garbage, who pick up boxes, cartons, these paper and different things, polythenes and all. They have a big sack with them at their backs and they pick up things from these garbage, like the corner where a lot of garbage is thrown near our places on the roads and all. Have you seen those people picking out, choosing things from that can be used or reused or whatever? So those people are called rag pickers. So list of a few things that they would pick if they come across near our house. Can you think of a few things? Done it, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, tell me, what are those few things you think a rag picker would pick?
The rat picker pick up the carpet box and tin
Very
cans,
nice.
and they also pick up old phones and um
And
paper
very good.
that. To reuse that.
Oh, all right, very nice. Anything else, children, do you think? What else do you think they would pick?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, Ritvik, tell.
Garbage, plastic bottle, disposable glass,
Very
tin,
nice.
paper.
Very nice. Very nice. Along with tins, cans, they also pick up the plastic bottles, the plastic items that we just throw off, the broken things that we throw out from our houses. They pick up that too. And especially those, what do you call them? These paper boxes, the hard paper boxes that we have, in which we generally get things. The hard boxes, do you understand? The paper box made
Yes,
of
ma'am.
cardboard kind of a thing, cardboard boxes. Anything else, children, that you think of they would pick? Yes? Okay. So with this also, we come to the end of this chapter. Now just see, there is an activity given enjoy. Now, a lot of plastic bottles get thrown in landfills. We use the ones at home by making a hole in the middle and planting plants inside it. Children, do you think that you can do this activity? We've got so many bottles at our
No,
home.
ma'am.
Yes?
Ma'am.
So anyone who would show it to me by doing it, not today, maybe in a day or two, you can send a pic to me. I will share it with everyone in the school. Okay? How beautifully this plant has been planted in a waste material. They have reused it. So even we all can do it. Who all will show it to me? Tell me. Raise your hands and let me know that, ma'am, yes, I'm going to do this activity. Very nice, Shaurya and Apurva. Children, all of you can do it. Why only just selected students, huh? Everyone has got such waste materials at home. You can use it in any way. Not only a bottle, in any other thing also. Maybe a mug is a waste at your place. A small bucket is a waste. It is cracked. You can put a lot of mud in it and plant a tree. Can't you do it? So just take this thing as an activity which has to be done. It will not take much time. You can plant in a few seeds and then beautiful plants will shoot out. Or you can directly plant a tree, a small shrub into it, a herb into it, anything. Okay? Anything else?
Mount Everest.
No one else has raised his or her hand except Apurva and Shaurya. Very bad. And Tanmay is not even muted, busy talking. Okay, now with this, we come to the end of this chapter, and not only this chapter, we come to the end of our book. From the next class that we have, we are going to take up revision on daily basis. Okay, we are going to revise each chapter very nicely. Is it clear for all of you? Yes? So that's all for today, children. Now see you in the next class.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, beta. Bye to all of you.
ma'am.
And if you have any query regarding the project work, please ask me on my personal number. Okay? You can WhatsApp me anytime if there is any
Okay, ma'am.
confusion regarding the project work. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, I send the SST food one you checked.
Yes, beta, I have checked. Let me see. I'll tell you if something has to be added in it. Okay, you have already sent. Very nice. Okay, so that's all for today. Any other query?
No, ma'am. No,
Okay.
ma'am.
Bye to all of you.
Bye.